So you wouldn't believe it. I've been asked the same question this last week by multiple people. And so it really made me start realizing something. You know what? I should bring back Ask Jason. Am I a passport bro? So that's what we're going to talk about today in this video. Hey, Jason here. If you've been watching the channel, you've been seeing me go through Johannesburg, South Africa, showing you how beautiful it is here, man. How much I love this city and how much I love the people here. And most importantly, I've also been talking to you about success, what it is, and how to get it in the 3 areas of life that I focus on, which are happiness, health, and wealth. And so, like I just said, I don't really know what it is. And so I had to do some research on it. And I'm going to come really be honest with you just straight up the bat. Even after doing research, watching different videos on YouTube, watching different perspectives, I still don't know what the heck a passport bro is. I really don't know. I can tell you this. I really want to hear what are the different perspectives of it, because I want to just share with you what I saw from it and give you my answer. And so from my research of the passport bros, and let me know if you're a passport bro or if you know about it. So some of the videos I saw some guys who are, the way their videos, the way their material is created or curated is they're looking for beautiful young women. They're not looking for commitment. They're just looking for fun times. I'm not here looking for marriage.